Hi, I'm Tom Nelson, owner of Nelson Racing Engines. What we're showing you today is our creation that we've worked on for the last 2 years. It's a twin turbocharged 5.4 liter, twin intercooled, twin injected, 4 cam per cylinder engine, and it's just incredible. It makes 1,000 horse on pump gas, it makes 1,200 horse on a pump gas race gas mix, and it makes a peak of 1,400 horsepower, and it literally drives just like the factory showroom floor car. It's just a really, really neat package.
All right, some of the special features that we built into the car is that the car has twin gas tanks. What's really cool about that is it's something that we developed called Octane on Demand. So what happens is we have 2 fuel systems. We have 8 injectors that run on primary, and we have 8 injectors that run on secondary. The 8 injectors on primary, they run on 1 tank, which is 91 octane, and that runs on the factory cell. Second tank and fuel system, we usually put race gas in there. And what happens is the car will run on 91 until it gets into the boost, and the computer will sense it's into boost, and it'll automatically transfer and add 50% additional race gas. So it'll be a mix of 91 and race gas automatically. You won't have to do anything. The computer senses it, and you can safely run higher boost levels without detonation. And it's just a really cool deal. So that's one of the special things that we've done with the Shelby Code Red. Another thing that we've done is that we've put gear-based boost control on it. So we have micro switches on every gear, and the computer knows what gear it's in, and you can pre-program how much boost the car will take per gear. So if you're on street tires, first and second gear, you're gonna only be able to run maybe 7 pounds, keep it hooked up. But then when you get into third and when you get into fourth, it can gradually add more boost. Let's say 7, 10 pounds, 15 pounds. You get into fourth, you can maybe get it up to 20 pounds. So it's a killer traction control system.
So here we are with Gary Patterson, VP of Shelby Motor Cars, picking up his Code Red. This is the first prototype of the Code Red. What do you think about it so far, Gary?
Twin turbocharged, over 1,000 horsepower. This baby rocks.
So a cool thing about this car is it's got computer controlled boost control, which is gear based. You can pre-program how much boost per gear. It's got an air locker and a valet switch built into it. We've also got clutch inputs to where you can stand on it at the starting line. It'll do full boost at the starting line. So it's breaking the tires at 80 miles an hour?
Of course. We don't even have the boost turned up yet.
Yep.
So that'll be next.
During the process of development of this Code Red GT500 engine, it's a 5.4 liter mod motor. This is the 4th turbo change we're on right now. Really picking up a lot of power with the correct turbocharger. Look at the thickness of that header flange. And it's internally ported to go from the 4 valve to this round port, so it transitions nicely. This is some of our stainless exhaust that goes around a steering column built to fit inside the car. If you look at that, it goes from an oval to a round back to an oval.
It's just been an intense process developing this sucker. Hell of a motor. Horsepower, 1,062 foot-pounds. Look at that. This is insane. 966 foot-pounds at 4,100. Crazy. 22 pounds. Almost 23.
In the making here. We did over 1,000 dyno pulls in the development of this engine, and as Gary Patterson would say, it drives like your old lady's Buick until you get into it. So here we are after this dyno pull, 22 PSI. This is at the rear wheels, 1,112 horsepower, 976 foot-pounds at the wheels at only 22 pounds of boost. Code Red is alive and well. Okay, we're here with Gary Patterson, VP of Shelby. We're getting his thoughts on the whole project.
Well, the partnership with Nelson Racing Engines has really been great. We've got the latest twin turbo GT500. We're going to call that Code Red. And 1,100 plus horsepower, very conservative boost level. This thing's going to rock and roll. We get things tuning that at the rear wheels. We're going to see some big numbers. Can't wait to run the standing miles.
Yeah, what's crazy is it's actually making 1,100 horse and almost 1,000 foot-pounds at the rear wheels at only 22 pounds of boost, more than all of us expected.